going down with a meat man. Listen to my sound. I'll let you know real quick, bitch. Don't drown in the kitchen with the milk. Drop the bowl. I'm like, holy shit, nigga. What's my goal? Put the meat in. It's a meeting in my motherfucking kitchen hole. Make sure you open the cabinet. Open it really slow. Open it up sexy. Grab the bowl and I'm like, ooh, messy, yeah. You can make a big mess, girl, cause you gon' clean it up at the end when you're all done. Get the motherfucking bowl, nigga. We gon' have fun, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Mix it all up and shit. Nigga tricks, nigga honeycomb, Apple Jacks, nigga Fruit Loops. I don't give a fuck. Put it all in, mix it all up. Get a big ass bowl of cereal, biggest bowl of cereal. Put a whole fucking bowl of cereal in the motherfucking pot of cereal. Then get a motherfucking big thing of milk. Let it all go. Drip down your titties and let it flow into the bowl. There's a meat in my kitchen. Girl, I'm coming and I will not be late. I'm like, ooh, goddamn, this shit tastes great. Like, what the fuck is this? Is it Frosted Flakes mixed with motherfucking Nesquik and a chocolate shake? Goddamn, girl.